So this gentleman here that you're seeing taking the cap that was given to the young man by the baseball player is the CEO of a company. I won't even go into which company because everything has already been resolved. But yes, a CEO. And I don't know why people are surprised when CEOs and people with money, rich people, millionaires, billionaires behave like this. Because here's the truth. It's a simple truth of life. Money does not make you a better person. Yeah, let that sink in. Money does not make you a better person. So the CEO doing this is just like anybody else doing this. The only difference between a CEO and any other rich person or regular person is that they simply have the means to execute their intentions. But also because they're not a regular person, the backlash can be massive. So he took the baseball hat rather, from the child that the baseball player gave to the child and hid it in his wife's or partner, whoever that female is with him, right? I read where it is partner, but I'm not sure, so allegedly. Put it in her bag. And he's there smiling and laughing. Nothing is funny about it. You're disgusting. You're a disgusting human being, and if the money that you have and the company that you have make you no different. You're just a horrible individual. So afterwards, it said that he returned the cap to the young man and gave him additional gifts. My thing is, people are saying, it's a happy ending. It's not a happy ending. It's just showing that when they are caught in their dirty, disgusting acts, they will do any and everything to try and garnish their reputation once again. Well, yeah, what are your thoughts on this? Like, share, and comment. Follow me on all social media platforms at KThoughtS876. I'm on YouTube, I'm on IG, I'm on TikTok. I'm also at Facebook at KThoughtsJam.